Hi guys, welcome back to Dryland for Kids. Let's go ahead and draw our cute watermelon and fruit. The first thing you want to do is we're going to start with our kiwi at the bottom. So let's go ahead and draw a curved line, just like that. And we're going to draw a curved line at the bottom. This is a kiwi that's been cut. Now for the seeds, we're going to go in and draw oval or teardrop shapes all around. Just like that. Now let's go ahead, whenever you're ready, we're going to draw a watermelon. We're going to draw a little curved line, followed by a diagonal line, followed by another diagonal line going down, and a curved line right here. This is going to be our sliced watermelon. Now we're going to add our strawberry over here. So I'm going to go in and draw a curved line here and stop over here. When you're ready, let's go ahead and draw our strawberry. I'm going to start by drawing the strawberry stem with the leaves. So I'm going to draw a line here and just go in and draw a little zigzag line for the leaves. When you're ready for our strawberry, we're just going to draw a curved line connecting to the other side. And let's add some seeds. When you guys are ready, let's go ahead and draw a banana behind our watermelon. We're going to draw a curved line here, and a curved line going back down. When you're ready, let's draw the stem for a banana. We're just going to draw a line going up, line going across, line coming down. And now let's draw the top. We're going to draw two diagonal lines, draw a line going across, and a line going down. Let's also draw a curved line inside of our banana. When you guys are ready, we're going to draw two more strawberries back here. So let's start by drawing a curved line here, followed by another curved line. Now I'm going to go and draw the top of the strawberry. We're going to draw the leaves. So again, I'm drawing a zigzag line at the top of my strawberry. When you guys are ready, go ahead and add some seeds. And now let's go ahead and draw the other strawberry behind our first strawberry that we drew using two curved lines. When you're ready, it's time to draw the stem and the leaves. So we're going to draw, again, a zigzag line for our leaf. And then just go in and draw the seeds. Now I'm going to draw a cute little face for my watermelon. Let's draw a circle here, followed by another circle, And then draw a little smaller circle on the inside. Little eyebrows. And a smile. Now just go ahead and in that negative space, we're just gonna draw some watermelon seeds. Just like that. I'm gonna go in and draw a little tiny circle and fill everything else in. There. If you want, you can also add some eyelashes to your eye if you would like. It's totally up to you. And if you want, you can go in and add some eyes inside of your other fruit, but I think I'm just gonna leave this be. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be back with the colored version. Okay guys, here's the colored version. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. If you did, you can like and subscribe, and please share the channel so that I can continue posting more videos that you guys like. Please comment below if you'd like any other drawing tutorials. I would be more than happy to make them. Have a good day. Bye-bye.